Look at this. That's nice. There you go. That's at Home Store in Memphis, Tennessee. Now, I like that rug. But I've gotten some stuff you can take something like this and fake it till you make it. Something like that. That you can fake it till you make it. Now let's go down here. Look at these rugs. You can fake it till you make it with this rug, especially if you have some gold in your home. This right here is absolutely beautiful. Yep. Look at this. And the prices. Now, all my rugs come from West End, Williams-Sonoma, Pottery Barn. But I would definitely put this in that house that I'm trying to do. This is beautiful. I'm telling you. This is beautiful right here. Okay. Oh. See how pretty that is? And see, when you go to get into some, you can fake it till you make it with a lot of these rugs. That's okay. I can go for this. Okay. This definitely is nice. Okay. And I can do this. I can do that. But I'm going to show you something. Let me show you something. You can do this. And to me, this is when you're getting over into the cheap stuff. But it still looks good. You know? They have some beautiful rugs here. I'm shocked. But I've seen them with beautiful rugs before. They have a wealth of pillows. All of these pillows. Oh wow, it's been a while since I've been in here. I tell you, I haven't been here since it was Garden Ridge. I'm not gonna film that long because my phone is about to die, but they have some beautiful rugs. And I think I'm gonna go with a green and a burnt orange. And guys, I'm working on this farmhouse that I got for a good price. I have 2 houses and a detached garage. In the garage, I'm turning into an eatery, you know. I am shocked at the beautiful rugs that they have. Oh my. I knew they had some beautiful stuff. But when they changed the name, it was a little different. Look at these throws. Now I'm going to show you pillows. Okay. Look at the mini pillows. If you don't have an at-home in your neighborhood or your place, this is Memphis, Tennessee. You can shop with me because I'm going to do vintage stores, antique malls. I'm going everywhere to fill those houses. And I am a earth tone type person. So I want to see if I can get out of that and add some color. Beautiful, beautiful pillows. Beautiful pillows. You see all down there. I don't like teal and turquoise. I just don't. And you know what? You ask people, what's your favorite color? And they always say blue. I don't like blue. But I do like black. It's black as a shade, but I like black. Excuse me. I don't like rose. But I see some stuff in there that you can kind of mix. Look at all of these pillows. You cannot say that I can't find the pillow. Oh my God, I can't believe they have black pillows. This is a dream come true. I didn't know that. This is a dream come true. Look at this. How beautiful. Oh my. How beautiful. Can you imagine? Guys, this store has everything that you will need. Oh my. But here's the thing. I'm on the hunt for I love it. I'm on the hunt for some planters. I have 2 sinks that I got today for $35, and they're drop-in sinks. And I'm gonna need stands for them because they're not wall mounted. And if I can find some plant stands, I can make it work. Because I have 4 bathrooms and 1 restroom. I have 5 sinks that I will need. And my budget is 0. Now, when you get over here, you're getting into the cheaper rugs. They're okay. But I tell you what, you want to kind of try to get away from. See, I can do this. I can do this. This. Not that, but I can. Or this. I can even do this. A more rustic look. This is beautiful. And some of these rugs here, they look, if not better, than West Elm or Pottery Barn. Guys, you stick with me. We're going to shop in Nashville. We're going to shop all over the globe. Now, see, to me, this, kind of stay away from poor quality if you have the money. And I don't have the money. So you got to go out and find things and make it work. If you like blue, look at that. Look at that fringe at the bottom. Kind of try to back off from what I call Oriental style rugs. Unless you have an extreme vintage. And here's the thing, I don't have a theme. Mine is modern, vintage, whatever looks good to me. Whatever I feel is good. I don't like that. Kind of stay away from stuff like this. Poor quality. This doesn't look good. Somebody could do something with that.